So welcome back guys dito sa YBTV at ngayon nandito tayo sa SMX Convention Center dito sa May Pasay, Metro Manila, okay? At ngayon pinuntahan natin ang event na Makina Moto Show 2024. Ano ba yung makikita natin dito? Mamaya pag-uusapan natin yung mga bikes, new releases at the same time yung mga gamit na mabibili natin dito at yung mga promo nila. So let's go! So guys, pagpasok mo pa lang ng entrance, so sa hall to kami pumasok. So ano nga ba makikita natin sa Makina Moto Show 2024, no? Of course, marami tayong makikita motor, okay? Meron pa motor doon. Okay, may motor doon, may motor din dito, meron pa doon. Okay? Puro na lang motor in short. So bukod sa motor, syempre ano ba yung meron dito sa Makina Moto Show na ino-offer din ni Makina, no? Aside sa motor lang. Of course, yung mga pyesa, oils, pag-uusapan din natin mamaya yan, and yung mga batteries. And yun nga, gaya na nabanggit ko sa intro, yung mga bagong releases sa motor, together with their prices, pag-uusapan din natin yan. So guys, kasama naman natin ngayon si Sir
Marty Semania.
Okay, from anong brand tayo, Sir?
From Aprilia and Moto Guzzi, Philippines. So ako yung marketing head for those brands.
Okay.
So for start, Aprilia is the brand that is currently fighting for MotoGP supremacy na ngayon against other brands. So in the Philippines, ang presence niya is it has started in 2016. So now has been imported by Motociclistas Catola. So sila po yung importers ng Aprilia Big Bikes, which is the RS660, the Tono 660, at saka yung mga V4 namin. So for Moto Guzzi naman, it's a sister company of Aprilia that caters to a much more classic na market. The both of them are under the Piaggio Group, which is kapatid niya yung Vespa, mga ganun. So yun yung history ng Aprilia dito.
So thank you sir. About sir, this Aprilia Motorcycles, ano po ba yung aabangan ng mga Filipino motorcyclists about Aprilia or mga new release ng Aprilia this 2024?
Yeah, so this 2024 we have something big for the Philippines kasi for the first time maglalabas si Aprilia ng 400cc na sport bike, which it will be called the RS457. So roughly third quarter of the year magre-release kami nun. So it's gonna be priced competitively para matikman naman ng masa ang Aprilia. So yun yung magiging entry-level sport bike namin.
So sir, that's good to know po, especially lalo na sa Filipino market, no, na talaga nauuso na yung competition within a 400cc category. Okay, sir, maraming salamat po for your time and hope to see you soon or on the road po. Okay, thank you.
Grabe mo lamasin yan.
So guys, first of all, nandito tayo sa booth ng Honda ngayon, okay? So pag-uusapan naman natin yung napakainit na bagong release ng Honda motorcycle. Kahapon lang to ni-reveal, okay? So ano nga ba itong dalawang sports bike na to? First, unahin natin yung CBR Triple R 1000cc SP Edition. And at the same time, naglabas na rin sila ng bagong CBR 600 2024 Edition. Okay? So, same specs pa rin naman. Ang kagandahan lang, lalo-lalo na sa CBR 1000 Triple R SP is yung kanyang aerodynamics na in-improve na. Okay? Especially the winglets and at the same time, yung kanyang side mirrors. Dito naman sa CBR 600 Triple R, same pa rin naman panel gauge and at the same time, kagandahan, in-improve din yung aerodynamics ng motor na to, okay? As you can see guys, kamukha na niya yung version 1 ng CBR na 150. Kung makikita natin, mas pinalait yung mukha ng CBR 600 Triple R this 2024. naman tayo sa pinaka-well-known brand, lalong-lalo na ng motorcycle, which is ang Harley-Davidson. At ngayon makakasama natin ay si, sir?
Hi, Luigi Lardizabal ng Vehicle Sales, Harley-Davidson Manila, EDSA, Green Hills.
So yun sir, first question sir, introduce mo naman kami kay Harley-Davidson.
Okay, Harley-Davidson way back in 1903 was made up of two best friends. That's William Harley and Arthur Davidson. Magbarkada yung dalawa. They decided to come up with a motorcycle that's capable to race, be fast, and loud. Now it so happens, yung mga kamag-anak ni Harley, puro babae. Pero si Arthur Davidson, mostly lalaki. So they were the ones who continued the legacy and culture of Harley-Davidson to what it is now. Last year we celebrated our 120th anniversary, and we are now in our 121st year offering new models for 2024.
So sir, speaking of a new model sir, ano naman po ang aabangan ng Filipino market, especially the riders na dito sa Pilipinas about Harley-Davidson this 2024?
Okay, just yesterday, on day 1 dito sa Makina Moto Show, we unveiled behind us our new 2024 Grand American Touring models. Ito pong nasa likod ko is the Street Glide Touring, and then itong nasa kanan dito, sa kanan ni Asi, is the Road Glide. So ang distinct features nito, both carry a 117 CI or cubic inch engine, that's 1,923. Plus, this particular model, pinagaang natin by 18 pounds. So mas magaang siya, as people would think, hindi, mabigat yan. So we managed to make it lighter, ideal for the Asian, Filipino riders. Plus, more importantly, the cooling system and suspensions have also been improved for greater comfort. So these are just some of the few features now we're very excited to share, and hopefully you get to experience with our new models. I encourage everybody to explore, learn something new, and get to enjoy for the weekend. So ride safe everybody, and hope to see you at Harley-Davidson of Manila. Thank you.
Tingin ko Ducati to. Ducati nga.
Ducati nga. Ano yung differentiator ni Ducati?
Mukha pa lang. The face.
So ito yung pag may ganitong ano.
Ducati. Usually. Tsaka yung winglet na ganito.
Okay.
Dry clutch siya. Usually.
Okay.
Hindi ko na alam kung naka-dry. Hindi siya naka-dry. Pag dry clutch, ibig sabihin hindi na kailangan ng oil. Yung clutch niya.
Hindi ba siya mag-wear out?
Hindi. So nakalabas yung clutch niya. Kung baga ito yung crank, 'di ba? Ito yung crank, 'di ba? Bukas lang 'to. Makikita mo yung mga clutch system niya. So katabi lang na boot, of course, our Kawasaki brand. Okay? So sa Kawasaki naman guys, ito yung mga new releases nila this 2024. So guys, ano nga ba ito? Of course, first of all, yung bagong version nila na Z500 guys ha. Notice, 500 na po ito, hindi lang 400cc, which is 500cc na po. Okay? Then, next of course, itong Kawasaki Ninja 500 din as well, okay? May papakita muna sa inyo. Napaka-eye-catchy kasi na ito. At the same time, nakuha rin niya attention ko eh, okay? So guys, ano ba yun? Bagong release ng Kawasaki rin as well, which is the EV series, which is yung mga electric bike ni Kawasaki. As you can see guys, formang Ninja, pero hindi mo paghahalata ang electric bike siya, okay? As you can see, wala siyang tambucho guys, dahil nga electric tong bike na to. And syempre, gumawa rin sila para sa Z series, okay? So saan ba yun? Ito, yung Z version ng EV ni Kawasaki, okay? Fully electric and lahat guys, walang gas consumption na iisipin. So guys, natsambahan pa natin, of course, kilalang nyo na to, Sir Jack nga pala, okay? So Sir Jack, kamusta?
Ako naman ako, nakikip naman ako kasi tapos na ako mag-photoshoot.
Ano bang boot yung hawak natin, Sir Jack?
SEC.
SEC.
Ambassador tayo, siyempre. Magpo-2 years na ako sa NCC. Ano nila ako inaalis.
Gagawa ka ba nila helmet, Sir Jack?
Ha?
Gagawa ka nila helmet?
Ano ko, wala ko alegria. Kahit ano klase helmet ang ginagamit ko kasi. Mas nahawak nila ginagamit ko.
Okay, tama yan, Sir Jack. By the way, Sir Jack, last question na, mabilisan lang. Sir Jack, ano ba yung motor na gamit natin ngayon?
Ngayong araw, gamit ko yung NMAX. Kasi kargago na siya eh. Binibreak-in ko siya.
Binibreakin mo, Sir.
Yung clip ko nasa bahay lang. So, mas maharap kasi lower CC eh. Pag clip wala ako kasama. Saka malalamit lang minukot na namin. Pag NMAX gamit ko, nagpukot na ako sa malayo.
Okay.
Ang gulo, di ba?
Baliktad.
Balik na. Ayun lang, like safe, nakita tayo minsan sa daanan, kawalan nyo lang ako. Pasasampan ko kayo. Ano pangalan ng channel niya? Ano pangalan ng channel?
YBTV, Sir Jack.
Ano na?
Shoutout na rin. YBTV.
YBTV! Ay! Nagbuhay kayo kan, YB! Ano lusog mo ah?
Maraming salamat, Sir Jack.
Ano nyo na, subscribe kayo.
So guys, nandito naman tayo sa booth ni Gogoro, okay? So guys, kasama naman natin ngayon si Sir.
Brent po.
Okay, Sir Brent. Sir Brent, introduce na naman natin si Gogoro sa Philippine market.
That's all. So, Gogoro is actually a electric scooter from Taiwan. So, andito na siya sa Philippines and si Gogoro is the first ever smart scooter na swapping yung batteries niya. So, we go to a Go station, we put the existing batteries there. After 6 seconds, a new fully charged batteries will pop out and then you're ready to go.
So sir, ano ba yung technologies na mai-introduce na sa amin from Gogoro?
So our smart scooter is actually connected via the application. We have the app, you can control the scooter, you can actually unlock the scooter, lock the scooter via the application kahit wala na yung keycard natin.
Pwede ba natin puntahan yung battery station natin doon?
Sure.
So sir, ano ba yung ini-introduce or yung sinasabi natin kanina na yung technology ni Gogoro?
Okay, so si battery swapping, no? So instead nga na i-charge mo sa wall outlet and it would take you a few hours just to get your batteries fully charged. Dito kay Gogoro, ilalagay mo lang yung batteries natin dito sa Go Station. Pagka nilagay natin yung batteries dito, after 6 seconds, may magpa-pop out na bagong battery. And that's going to be your fully charged batteries. Ang one full charge ng isang battery is usually ranges up to 100 kilometers.
Tingin niyo sir, ano po ba yung magiging edge ni Gogoro sa other electric bike scooters?
So what I think that our edge would be is that yung after 3 to 4 years of time, yung maintenance ng battery won't be on the shoulders of the customers or the buyers. It would be handled by Gogoro, the company itself.
So sir, last question na lang. Kung available na po ba si Gogoro sa market or kung available na, magkano po ba ang SRP ni Gogoro?
Alright, so yes, Gogoro is already available here in the market. Our price ranges from 250,000 to 285,000.
So yun sir, maraming salamat for your time and sharing your information about Gogoro motorcycles. Okay? So sir, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay guys, down to our next booth. Of course, nandito tayo sa booth ng Corsa ngayon, okay? Sabi ko naman sa inyo, hindi lang motor ang pag-uusapan natin, pati accessories, especially yung gulong, okay? So guys, dito may kasama tayo na magbibigay ng brief history about sa Corsa, okay?
So, ang Corsa tires ay gawa sa PT Multistrada in Indonesia, which is actually the second brand of Michelin. So, the way we try to pitch our brand, para bang Lexus to Toyota, Michelin is to Corsa. Tayo ang more budget-friendly, tayo ang premium tire on the market na affordable. But if you want something na may pangalan, then we encourage you to purchase Michelin. Yes. And ang another relationship namin with Michelin is that ang specialty nila is more on the big bikes, sa enduro, sa motocross. Pagdating naman sa underbone, sa scooter, kay Corsa ka. Dito tayo.
So sir, ano po ba yung mga products natin dito ngayon? Especially yung mga available dito na mabibili natin sa Makina Moto Show 2024.
Okay, in terms of our patterns na available natin, ang pinaka-fastest selling natin actually is yung Cross S. Yun yung dual sport natin. Actually, Cross S accounts for around 70% of our sales right now. I think the market really likes the looks of it. So we wanted to promote the other patterns as well. So you can see here the R93. This is our soft compound for the rim 17 size. The other one na pinopromote natin is yung R26, meant for the daily riders, mga Grab, mga Foodpanda. R26 will be our tire for them. And then we have the M5 na in theory, we try to explain to the market na yan yung mas makapit, na mas safe. But for some reason, gusto pa rin nila yung Cross S pattern. I think because of the looks. So those are the 4 patterns na pinupush namin.
Maraming salamat sir sa pag-share ng info about core sa tires, okay? So sir,
Thank you so much for your time.
So guys, maraming salamat sa pagsasama. So guys, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin dito sa Makina Motor Show 2024. Okay, ito nga pala ang day 2. So bukas day 3, titignan natin kung makakapunta pa tayo. Basta mahalaga, nakapunta tayo ngayon day 2 at nakapag-showcase tayo ng iba't ibang motor at iba't ibang products. Okay? So guys, maaari lang na mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe nyo na rin kayo dito sa YB TV. So yun lang.